I'm going to show you how to create a cost center with FIORI App and KS01 T code in SAP S4HANA. My name is Nuno Dias, and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus with finance area. I work as an SAP FICO contractor. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are just reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, please subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. I'm building a document that will become a PDF how to navigate in the SAP at a glance YouTube channel. If you want to receive the PDF once it's ready, please connect to my LinkedIn, send me a message, I want the PDF document, and of course your email, and then I'll send it to you once it's ready. Cost centers are used in companies for internal reporting and for other activities with CO modules. When we post in FI into a P&L account, what is going to happen? It's mandatory to put the cost objects, and this will generate a CO document. However, we can also post cost centers into balance sheet accounts, but in that case, it will not generate any CO document. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a cost center using the FIORI app as well as using the KS01 transaction code in SAP FICO. And now, without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP SAP FICO menu. So it's pretty simple. We go to accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, master data, cost centers, individual processing, and create. So when we are going to create, I'm going to create as a copy because it's much easier and simpler. So, and it makes this video shorter. I'm going to create the number 4. I've already did some tests, and then I'll copy it from the number 3, for instance. We need to put, as a reference, we need to put the controlling area, which is the same, okay? And then I'm going to press enter. So in here, I'm going to change the description. This is going to be the number 4, SAP for all number 4. And I'll keep the responsible the same, the personal responsible and user I keep the same. I don't touch on anything, and I'll keep the same profit center. Okay, functional area, the same thing. In the control tab, we can see this is not blocked for anything. As templates, we have no templates assigned, and then we are not going to put any addresses or communication. We don't need to have phone numbers, and then here in the history, we have the history of this. Now I'm going to save, and it's simple as this. If you are enjoying this video so far until now, please make a like to us. And then I'm going to go to the FIORI app to do exactly the same exercise. So here we have 2 options. Either we search for the app, which is called manage cost centers, okay? Or I can go where I have already my app stored, and there is there. Or if you don't know where the app is still, there is a video in the channel how to navigate in the Launchpad. I advise you to see if you don't know how to do it, but I can search, for example, here, a FIORI app costs, manage costs, and then I can see that I have managed cost centers. If you click there, I'm doing this only now for the last time. You can add wherever you want this app. This was just an example. We are going to manage cost centers. We are going to click on the app, and we can see that the app is much different than what we have in the SAP here. So basically, by default, I have this information that is coming from my user that I define. I'm going to remove this company code, and then I'm going to press go again, and I get all the cost centers assigned to this controlling area. But because I know that my cost centers are D star, okay, I'm going to put the star, and then we can do either I can choose here one. I'm going to choose this one, for example, the number 3. And then I press go again, and then it's there. When I click here, I can copy, and I have a lot of activities to see in this screen. So I'm going to make a copy. By doing a copy, I have here in the left side the information, okay? And then on the right side is to create the new cost center. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type D99000005, okay? Because this one does not exist yet. I'm going to change only the name. We have here the name, valid from. Here in the user responsible, we can go and we can choose another user responsible. Okay, I just changed the user responsible. And then cost center type, I'm going to leave as administrative, but this is what is created in the system. In the other screen, we have to change the tabs. Let's go back one step. Just to display the master data, we have tabs. We need to change tabs, okay? To go, we need to change tabs. Here in the FIORI app is much easier because I'm going just to move my face to this side. Here in FIORI apps is much easier. Either we drill down, scroll down, either I click on here, organization, everything is in the same channel. This is my company code. I don't want to change the standard hierarchy. Then I'm going to use the same profit center and same business area. And then you see the control, it is off for everything. So which means it's not blocked for anything. The addresses that we have in the other side, also communications. Okay, we have the communications where we can put phone numbers and fax and so on. And then we have here in the translations, what we can put into the language, what we can choose. And then what we need to do, it change logs is nothing yet because it was not created. What we need to do is to create. So my profit center has been created. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get back one step where we were. And then here I can choose my cost centers in the report. And then here I have my cost centers when I have created. I'm choosing it. And then I'm going to select them for my screen. Click there, okay, and then go again. Now I have my profit centers in the screen. And then what we can do now is to, if I click there, I'm going to unselect. If I click here, I go to the page that we know. We have the general information. We can see the master data. If I click there, what we can do, well, we can see this in this way, show details in a different view. We can hide the details, and then we can add, for example, I can move this, we can choose other columns to be here, okay? Or I can change the positions. So let's see the cost category, I want to make it for the end. Cost category, so I'm position. And then I'm going to make, okay, so cost category, it is there. So we can move this. Also from here, I can export this. I can create here a view only for me, save as. I'll put for public, I will put SAP for all. So next time I came here, I have my view that I can choose. And also there, I can choose a view for me. I can put SAP for all, and then I'll put as public. So now I have here two views, the standard and my view, and then I have two views there. So if this video is being useful for you, please type some comments. Please also leave in the comments if you prefer to create a cost center with the FIORI app or with the transaction code of SAP. Now you know how to create cost centers with the FIORI and transaction codes KS01 in SAP S/4HANA. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please subscribe to this channel to receive fresh new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.